Data science is considered as one of the lucrative career and very high in demand career, not only now but also after 5 or 10 years. So this data science is going to stay in this world for a long duration. This career is definitely going to stay for a very long duration. People who are aspiring to become a data scientist or people who want to start their career in data scientist must watch this video. The lot of information I will be sharing with you. I mean to say, what are the skills required to become a data scientist, what is the eligibility criteria, the salaries, what are the education qualification, everything in this video. So watch this video till the end. Namaste, my name is Sushmita Madhu and you're watching my English channel. If you're watching my video for the first time, please click the subscribe button. Now, data science, what exactly happens in data science? Data science, let us understand the word first. Data science. Data, lot of people also call it as data. Data or data is nothing but the information any business or any organization collects. The information can be from their employees, the information can be from their customers, their prospects, their to-be customers, their vendors, their suppliers, and etc. So any information that an organization or company business is collecting, that information can be called as a data or data. Now let us understand what is science. Science is nothing but a study of something, like systematic study of something, that is called science. Now when you combine these two things, when you're studying data to get meaningful insight from that, that kind of domain is called as data science. Now, why do companies or organizations or businesses need data science? Let us understand that. Businesses will have lot of data because their clients or their to-be clients, their existing clients, already old clients, lot of data will be there with each and every businesses, right? Now to understand the data, to understand patterns in the data and to forecast, understand what can be the challenges in the future, how to solve these kind of challenges, businesses are investing huge amount in data science domain or data science industry. So yes, businesses are spending huge amount. Now when they need data science expertise or when they are using data science to get some information out of the data, they definitely, businesses definitely need experts who are already trained in data science and who can work on the data science platform. Right? That is why data scientists or people who are skilled in data science will have very high demand, they still have very high demand in the market. Now, you can also say data scientist, they definitely brings impact to the business by solving the challenges, their present challenges. They also forecast by understanding the patterns in the data. They also forecast what can be the challenges in the near future, maybe next 2 years, next 5 years. This can be the challenge for the business. Data scientists bring that information in front of the management using this data. So they study the data and they bring this kind of information. They put the information on the table in front of the management so that management team can take decisions. Management team can take any decisions in their business. So that is why data science is very important for every business. And what kind of businesses use data science? I would say in present situation, every industry, not only IT, not only software industry, but I would also say in healthcare, retail, in telecom, insurance, banking, financial services, automobiles, each and every domain, plenty of domains or industries are using data science to gain insight or to gain information out of their present data. Now, can I name any companies which are using this data science? I would say any product based company, any product development companies definitely use data science and they will have a dedicated team of data scientists as well. Product based company, best example is Benz, Mercedes or Paytm, Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon and PayPal, Oracle, JP Morgan, etc. So these are the companies which are very they use data science to understand the data of their customers. Now, to become a data scientist, what is the qualification requirement? What is the eligibility criteria? Now, there are two eligibility criteria. If you are if you are a student who is just, I mean to say, who has done their +2, they have done their 12th, and if they want to become a data scientist in future, then they should choose BSc data science or BTech data science. Yes, you heard me right. There are many colleges, there are many graduation programs, BSc also, BTech also, which are providing data science as their specialized subject, specialization. So BSc data science also if you choose, or BTech data science if you choose, after your graduation you will be hired by company as a data scientist. This is the first way to become data scientist. And most of these companies, in most of the companies, they hire data science from these colleges where students are getting trained on data science in their graduation itself. So they come to these colleges, they campus hire, they select their students from the campus itself. That is one way of becoming a data scientist. The second way of becoming a data scientist is you are a non-computer science background student. Let us assume that, and you have done BA, BCom, BSc something, BTech civil or mechanical, but now you want to become a data scientist. You can enter the data industry as data analyst, or you can also become a data scientist or data engineer, data analyst or data engineer. You can choose any one of these streams or these careers, enter the data entry, data career or data industry. After 2 or 3 years of real-time experience, then you can become a data scientist. That will be level 2, I would say. So a non-technical, non-computer science person becoming a data science might be a bit difficult, but only with experience as a data analyst or data engineer for 1 or 2 or 3 years sometimes, then you can become a data scientist. This is the eligibility criteria. But I would say yes, there are a lot of exceptional cases, scenarios where a non-computer science background student or a non-data science background student also has become data scientist. There are definitely always exceptional cases. Nothing is impossible, I can say. Now, what are the skills required to become a data scientist? I would say the very first important skill that you need to understand or learn is SQL. SQL is the one very first primary skill, I would say. The second skill is you have to learn any data visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau. You also should have very good understanding or practice on Python or R programming languages. You should have good knowledge on SAS and Hadoop and Spark architectures. You should have good knowledge on that. If you have good understanding about AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data structures and algorithm, that will be an added advantage. You should also have good understanding about big data processes, systems and network. And I would also add, many people might disagree with me, but data scientists should also have good knowledge on MS Excel. Yes, MS Excel. If you are expert or if you have expertise in MS Excel, that would also help you to become a data scientist. So these are the skill set that are required to become a data scientist. Now what is the salary usually data scientist gets? So I will again explain you in two different scenarios. If a student who has done BSc data science or BTech data science, if they are getting college placement, from campus placement they are getting selected, then their salary might range from 6 lakhs rupees to 11 lakhs rupees per annum. It also depends from company to company. This is the first scenario. The second scenario is if a person who is not from computer science background, not from the data science background, if he is getting selected off-campus placement, then their salary might range from 3.5 lakhs to 6 lakhs package per annum. It again depends from company to company. It depends from city to city also. So salary I have already explained you. Now very important question. Does data science profession has coding? My answer will be no. It will not have very huge or heavy coding. But yes, if you have good understanding or practice on Python or R, then it will be an added advantage. It totally depends on the complexity of the project. It totally depends on what project you are working. On that basis, the percentage of coding will differ. Some projects will have 20% of coding by a data scientist. Some projects will have 30% of coding So it totally depends from project to project, I can say. Now there is one very important thing I want to share with all of you. There are many training institutes which train in data science, and you might also have seen some advertisement on this YouTube video as well. What was the name of the company you saw the advertisement? Let me know in the comment section of the video. So these advertisements on data science training, they definitely invest huge, because each and every training is very expensive. Few companies, few training institutes, they charge 70,000 rupees for data science training. There are also the few training institutes which charge 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs rupees also for data science. Now there is one thing that definitely I want to share with everyone, that is, these training institutes, they commit 100% job placement to most of the students, irrespective of their career gap, irrespective of their stream of studies also. If you are watching this video, then definitely you have to think, because there is no training institute who can confirm 100% job placement. Before choosing data science also, if you are planning to choose data science as your career, you have to think data science is a very high demand career in the market. It is very good for freshers also, but is this career suitable to your profile? You have to think in that way also. If you have 5 years career gap or 10 years career gap, then there might be difficulty in getting job. Getting trained is very easy. You have to put your money from your pocket and you will get trained. But after training, getting the job might be very difficult for a career gap candidate. That is the reason, do not go with the flow. I mean to say, data science is very high demand in the market and the salaries are very high. It is a very hi-fi kind of job. But think in this way, will I get job after this training? You have to think and then only decide whether to go with data science or not. Training institutes are definitely there. They will market like anything. They will tell all false commitments. They will do every tactic to convert you to get money from you, but you have to think before choosing or before taking the training on data science. Data science is a very good career. As I told at the beginning, it will definitely have very good growth in the next 5 or 10 years in the market also. Now that was all about data science. I have explained you. If you have any questions on data science career, then let me know in the comment section of this video. And also I want to share with all of you, where can you learn data science for free? There are many resources. Google is definitely one, and you can also use YouTube as the YouTube, Udemy, Simplilearn, Coursera. There are so many platforms where for very less price you can get data science videos or training material. So you can use these sources, and that's all about data science career. If you have any questions, put down your question in the comment section of this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you can share this video with your friends and family members as well on social media. And that's all. Thank you so much. My name is Sushmita Madhu. You're watching my English channel. Thank you so much. Namaste.